In the blue ocean, a friendly shark named Finley swims smoothly through the coral. A bright, glowing number 81 appears on the screen, shimmering in the clear water. Finley explores a new reef, but suddenly, he swims right into a hidden fishing net. The number 82 floats nearby, marking the moment Finley becomes trapped and feels scared. Finley struggles to break free, his eyes wide with worry as the net holds tight. A school of small brave fish notices their friend in trouble and rushes to help. The number 83 glows brightly as the little fish gather around to save the day. Using a sharp shell, the fish begin to saw through the thick tangled ropes. The number 84 shines as the ropes begin to fray under their determined efforts. Bubbles rise rapidly toward the surface, creating a shimmering curtain of silver light. The number 85 drifts through the bubbles, marking the intensity of the rescue mission. A friendly diver appears, waving his hand to signal that he is here to help. The number 86 beams on the screen as the diver cuts the final heavy rope. Finley is finally free, wiggling his tail with joy as he swims into the open. On the sandy ocean floor, they spot an ancient, mysterious treasure chest resting quietly. The number 87 appears, highlighting the discovery of the hidden long-lost prize. The heavy lid of the chest begins to creak open, revealing a soft golden glow. The number 88 sparkles as the light spills out into the dark, deep water. Golden coins spill out, dancing in the current and reflecting the sunlight from above. The number 89 floats amidst the swirling gold, adding to the magical underwater scene. Finley smiles wide, feeling happy and safe with his many brave little friends. A final explosion of gold and happiness fills the screen with pure delight. The massive glowing text 90 rich appears in huge golden numbers for all to see. The ocean sparkles with joy as Finley and his friends celebrate their grand adventure. The scene fades out with vibrant colors and a sense of wonder for everyone. The friendly shark winks at the camera, showing his gratitude for his true friends. Small fish dart around the treasure, playing games in the shimmering golden light. The diver gives a thumbs up, ensuring everything is safe and sound below. The currents carry the golden coins away, spreading luck throughout the deep blue sea. Every creature in the reef gathers to see the treasure that Finley found today. The water glows with a warm, cinematic light that makes the whole ocean shine. Finley leads his friends on a new path, ready for whatever comes next tomorrow. The number 90 remains on screen, a reminder of the wealth of true friendship. The camera pulls back to show the vast, beautiful, and peaceful underwater world. Soft bubbles continue to rise, creating a peaceful ending to this magical story. The screen fades to a deep, calm blue as the adventure comes to rest.
Fast-paced animated scene of a cute kid in a magical room. Glowing door suddenly appears. 91. Floating countdown timer ticking. 92. Kid runs quickly. 93. Jumps over toys. 94. Climbs a table. 95. Lights blinking dramatically. 96. Kid looks excited and nervous. 97. Reaches glowing door handle. 98. Opens door. with bright flash. 99. Magical explosion of light and sparkles. 100. Victory moment. Cinematic camera movements, smooth transitions, energetic music, colorful environment, 3D cartoon animation, Pixar style, high detail, viral kids content style.